cái đi cái thiệt thôi nó xem lọ quá bảo đi qua là cái cái lọ cái big snow mà thế này big snow mà đi big snow đi nên là ya tiêuเลยให้ไปเลยวิMinnesotaดูเนาะ safe for Minnesotaดูมันก็บัดเดย์นะวิสโนมิซาดู sorry ละมั้งไอ้ที่เลยดูว่าตันดูสโนโลวิดีโอแต่มาสโนซาละแค่ไหนก็ดีน่าไรอยู่เลยอาจจะฟูจอดเจ็ดมาที่บ้านได้ไหมช่วงนี้เนาะJust a little snow, bro. What you talking about? It's a little snow. What you talking about? What you talking about, bro? It's a little snow. Tomorrow will be a big snow. We can say that a big snow. All right. Now like 80%. You know what I mean, right? All right, bro. It's not a shit, bro. It's a snow. It's snow white. You already know that? Yeah. All right. You have to clean your car, If you're not cleaning, oh my gosh, man. Tomorrow it's hard to clean. You're not cleaning right now. Life in America, it's too cold, man. Y'all know that? Oh my gosh. Whoa. Oh, there's a snow like here. Here it's too cold, I cannot take it out my hoodies. Look at that, man. Oh, that's really is
hate snow.
Yeah. You hate snow? I love snow because in my country I don't have snow. That's why. No snow in my country. That's why, I love snow. Look at this. I love the snow, man. Look at this. God damn it.